Hi, boys and girls. Today is Thursday, February 11th, and we're going to be working on math. We're working on, this page doesn't have numbers. The numbers are cut off, but we're working on adding three numbers. So it looks like this, and this on the back. Okay? Before we start, which you're going to do most of this on your own, let's talk about adding three numbers. When you're adding three numbers, it doesn't matter what order you do it in, but sometimes it's easier to think about adding doubles first. I'm going to write this over here. So it's easier to think maybe if you can add doubles first, maybe that's easier, or add to make 10. First, or maybe even adding, when you're adding with 1, maybe you want to add that first. Add a number to 1 first, if there's 1 in the problem. But really, you can add in any order. It doesn't matter. When we add, it doesn't matter what order. Add in any order. Any order is fine. Okay? So, let's practice. So we can add doubles, add to make 10, add a number first, or add a number to 1 first if 1 is in the problem, which I didn't make. I could quickly make 1 though. All right, so 3 plus 2 plus 3. Like I said, I see a double. Maybe let's add doubles first. 3 plus 3, and you could write it over here if you wanted to, like we've done before. 6. Now, hopefully you can see that. I'll scooch this up. I wrote it so tiny. Okay? So, 3 plus 3 is 6. Now we have to add 2. I would do like 6, 7, 8. So I added a double first. What about 4 plus 6 plus 2? Oh, I see a way to make 10. I know. 4 plus 6 makes 10. So 10, 11, 12. Over here, 3 plus 6 plus 7. Oh, I know that 7 plus 3 makes 10. And 10 plus 6 makes 16. Let's do, because one other thing I had said was adding 1 first. Okay, I'm going to push this back here. Okay. What if we had a problem, and you'll have this on your paper. What if we had a problem that was 6 plus 3 plus 1? 6 plus 3 plus 1. Well, you could add in any order, right? I said add in any order. But maybe you want to add with 1 first. So I'm going to do 6 plus 1, oh, I forgot to switch my marker color. 6 plus 1 is 7, and then 7 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when we're adding three numbers, really, you could add in any order. But to make it easier, look for doubles to add. I just realized you can't see all of what I said. Add doubles first. Add to make 10 first. Add a number to 1 first. But in the end, you're going to add in any order. You'll come out with the same answer. Okay. Your paper has 2 sides. And it says here on the top where the girl is maybe she's working on her math. She's laying down and working on her math. Here we said, just like I said, add doubles first. So they did 4 plus 4 equals 8. And then 8 plus 3 equals 11. This one they added in any order. They just decided to add the first 2 numbers first. 3 plus 4 is 7. Then you have to add the 8. 7 plus 8 is 15. The bottom, they added to make 10 first. 6 plus 4 is 10. And then they added 5 to it. 10 plus 5 is 15. So add doubles, make a 10, add in any order. At the bottom, you're going to circle the numbers that you add together first if you wanted to. If you wanted to, like they did the first one for you, if it makes it easier, you could do that like we did before, and you could say 2 plus 2 is 4, and then you would know, if you can see that, 2 plus 2 is 4, and then add 5 to get 9. You could still put that little thing over on the side to help you before you add the last number. So you are going to circle the numbers you add first. You don't have to do this, but I want you circling the 2 numbers that you're going to add together first. Okay, so you're going to do these, and then on the back is kind of like a game. Hopefully you got the, sorry, something was sticking to mine. Everybody got a paper clip, okay? And I think we've done something like this before. It's going to be kind of hard for me to show you, but what you do is you put the paper clip down, if you can see it, and then you take your pencil. I need somebody else's help here. Hold on, let me get this. Let me do it this way. Okay. Trying to figure out how to show it. All right, so see how I have the paper clip with my pencil? And then you flick it. Let me do it again so you can see. Flick it, which mine's always going to go to 3 because I have it hanging up, standing up. But whatever number it lands on, that's what you're going to write in the box. Okay? So when I did it, it came to a 3. I'm going to write 3 in here. And then I'm going to add 5 plus 3 plus 3 to come up with my answer. Again, you don't have to on this side, but you could circle the 2 numbers that you add first, which I would do the doubles of 3 plus 3. And I'm going to come up with 3 plus 3 is 6. And then I'm going to add 5 to it. So it would be 11. But you're going to do your own problem. I mean, maybe it would happen to be the same one as I got. Okay? So you take your paper clip and you put it here. You have your pencil hold it, and then you flick it. And whatever number it lands on. If it goes in between, then just choose one of those numbers or do it again. Okay? So you're going to do all these problems. The bottom, let's do this one together. This is a kind of a tricky problem. Katie caught 3 fish. She added the numbers on the fish. Her total score was 13. Circle the fish she caught. Okay, what this means, so we have these numbers 5, 1, 2, 4, 3, 5. She has, you don't have to put this on your paper, so we need to figure out what plus what plus what equals 13. Which one of these, we need to figure out which ones would go in each blank, and they have to equal 13. I bet some of you are figuring it out. Some of you are just sitting and waiting for me to figure it out. I know. We're trying to add 3 of the fish to come up with 13. I see a double on there that I know makes 10. Wonder if that gave anybody a hint. But I would still need one more fish so that it equals 13. If you know, I'm not going to say the answer yet. If you know, you can stop the video in just a second. Okay? I just want to remind you all the rest that you're going to do. You're going to do this side, circling the 2 numbers that you add together first, but adding all 3 numbers, remembering that you can add doubles first to help you, add to make 10 first to help you, add a number to 1 first, like some of these have 1 in them. But really you can add in any order. Okay. The other side, you are spinning to fill in what's going to go in your problem and then adding the 3 numbers. You don't have to circle it on this side. Okay, if you know the answer, you can stop the video. Otherwise, I'm going to give you the answer. So Katie caught 3 fish. She added the numbers on the fish. Her total score was 13. Circle the 3 fish she caught. So what are the 3 fish? I wish I could hear you to see how many of you got this answer. So I bet a lot of you did. 5 plus 5 makes what? 10. We're trying to make 13, so what's going to be the last one? 3. If you got that on your own, give yourself a pat on the back. I know some of you did. You don't have to write this, you just had to circle. Okay. All right. So work hard on your math. Hopefully you do some reading today, too. It's always good to do some reading. And I will see you again later. Bye.